Hello and welcome to Late Night Baths with me, Anthony Sefton. Today we're going to be opening some packs. Let's see what we get. Please let me show you where we could only just be for us. I can change and I can grow or we can adjust. The wicked thing about us is we always have trust. You can even have an open relationship if you must. I look at her, she stares at me. Alright, first pack we got Michael Bright, Scott Carson, Yannick Vestergaard, Kagla Soy Unku, and Eric Peters. Pretty mediocre pack. Alright, pack number 2. We got a shiny. Hugo Lloris. Don't have a clue what that is, just next door. They're up to something. Don't have a clue what this is. Flipping heck, this pack is insane, man. Alright, we got Mane and Alexander Arnold. Inventive attacker and assist ace. Guess better. Flipping star player James Maddison. Lewis Barrett, you can have that one, mate. Captain card Lewis Dunk. And James Justin. Pack number 3, there's another shiny. John Kenny. Abdoulaye Doucouré. Or Doucouré, my apologies. Nathan Teller. What on earth is that? Oh, security tag. Leeds United badge. One for Carl Schlieter. Leicester City badge. One for someone who supports Leicester City. Oh, we're on pack number 4. Oh, nice. Edison. Two Southampton players, Danny Ings and someone else. Hey, Wesley. Alex Iwobi. Kurt Zuma. Last pack. Fingers crossed. Oh, yeah, ain't bad. The West Ham kit. Tottenham Hotspur kit. Barclays Premier League trophy, man. Barclays Premier League trophy. Number 1 out of all the stickers. Number 1.
I'll go buy the sticker album now, and El Mohammedi and Neil Maupay. That's it. No more packs. So, thank you very much. Stay safe, be happy, and keep on smiling.